Hello, I'm going to show you about loading Pixwriter on your Promethean board. So, first thing you have to do is to go up to your share kiosk, the FileWave kiosk, and install software. Make sure that you've selected all of the applications. And then if you scroll down to where you see package Pixwriter 4.2.0, and click install. Mine's already been installed, so once it's done, it'll say uninstall. But once you click install, then it'll take it a few minutes and then it will install onto your Promethean board. After that, then go to your launch pad at the bottom. If you click on the launch pad, and go probably to your second screen if you don't have a lot on there. Oops, sorry, mine just disappeared there. And you'll see a folder here that says Attainment Others. And when you click on that, the Pixwriter is there. So you open up the Pixwriter. And since mine already is activated, but yours will come up and it'll ask for activation code. That I will email you. And then once you put in the code, it'll activate, and then you'll have a login, and you can log in as a teacher. You can put in several different student logins, but once you logged in, then you go to Pixwriter, and it will show you new file, saved files, or imported images. From there, I'm going to send you a few sample boards so you can click on Save File, and it will open up your desktop. And the boards I'm going to send you, like a color board and weather and whale, so different things like that. You can just sample to try them out or make your own board. Since these screencastifies are only at the most 5 minutes long, I'm just going to show you this so far, just to get you started. And then I'll come back and do a couple of ones where you can use new files and show you the ins and outs of the new Pixwriter. But that will get you started. And if you have any questions, let me know.